Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Brave browser as default. Now if you want to use Brave browser as your default browser every now and then, especially when opening some tasks, here is how to do it. Now we're going to head over to this three vertical dots here. Don't worry about the error. That's just some extensions that are pre-added or some extensions that I've added before. Now we're gonna head over to the settings, and right in the settings you should be able to see the get started. If you're not here, just click this one right here. Now in the third option you have here default browser. Go ahead and click make default here, and it's just going to pop up the settings for you. All right, now that we are here, you should be redirected to Brave right away. You can go ahead and click set default here, and it's automatically going to replace those for you. Now if, say for example, like this one here, Microsoft Edge H or MHT document, if you want to replace that one, you can do that as well by clicking this one right here, and then you're going to choose Brave set default. And it's the same thing here. We have our PDF, it's for Firefox, SVG is for Edge, and so on and so forth. So you can just go ahead and manually do that for those documents or for those file types. And yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to make Brave as your default browser.